Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we got Boxy charm. My address is on that side, so can't really see the logo, but it's Boxy charm. If you don't know what Boxy charm is, it's $21 a month subscription service. It's a makeup subscription service that has over $100 worth of products, and that says hello charmers, and then we open it up, and then they have this little card in here, and if everybody got the same, it would be just a small cardboard card, but this month has a few different variations, so when there's variations, then they get this long card. The theme this month is Life of the Party. And there's, if you want these coupon codes, Smashbox has 20% off your next order on Smashbox.com. Trying to read backwards. Use code Boxy20. And then the other code is Lauralee Los Angeles. 25% off your next order. Use code LLLA charm 25. Lauralee Los Angeles charm 25. And this one expires on the 15th, so if anybody wants to use that code, you gotta use that before the 15th. And the Smashbox one is good until the 30th of this month. And then there's a picture of Lauralee right there. I'll see if I can recognize anyone else. No, I don't recognize any of them. So we'll put this away to the end. I'm sorry last month that I forgot to tell you guys the prices, but I put it in the description box last month. So the first product I'm going to pull out of here is a Smashbox Lipstick. It's Be Legendary. Trying to make it focus. Anyways, and the color is Straight Up, and I have a feeling this is gonna be a dark color, and I'm not really into dark colors, but I'm happy that it's a lipstick and not a liquid lipstick. I'll try it on, even though this is not a color that I would use. Maybe I would. I'm not using the mirror, I'm just using the camera, so hopefully I got it on good. And that's the color right there. It's not bad on the lips. It's almost nude color. I would use this, I guess. I've never owned a Smashbox lipstick in my life, or the only thing I've owned is a Smashbox primer. So the next thing that we're going to pull out of the box is House of Lashes. I do not wear lashes, so I will not be trying these on. Probably give them to my daughter before school starts. The name of them are Bambi's. And it says, our lashes are designed to enhance the natural beauty of your eyes, suitable for all eye shapes. They're ideal for regular wear or special occasions. And here's a better picture of them. I should take that plastic off because it seems to be reflecting in the camera. look. They're cute and everything, but I'm too old for this stuff, so my daughter can have it. The next thing that I got is this New York organic infused age-defying nail treatment essential sweet almond cuticle oil. I also don't use cuticle oil. That's what the bottle looks like. I can't tell what the smell is. It's just like a sweet smell. But I don't think this is the same thing that other Boxy Charmers got, because they said they got a cuticle oil that smelled like marshmallows. This does not smell like marshmallows. And the one they had a dropper on it. So the next thing that I'm pulling out is by Bang Beauty. And just trying to see if I can figure out what it is. And I don't know what it is, so I guess I'm gonna have to open the box. Oh, my cover wasn't even on. It says it's a chocolate gel eyeliner. I do not have an eyeliner brush, but let's see if I can. And that's what it does. So there's the eyeliner right here. I would use that. I don't have very many brown eyeliners, so I'll be excited to try that. And I should put it back in the box. And the next thing that's in here are some eye patches. Are they eye patches? Yeah, they're Baggage Claim Gold Eye Matches by Wander Beauty. And we got 3 of them. So I'll try these in a separate video. Maybe me and my daughter will try them. I'm not too excited for them, but it's okay. And then the last thing that we got is the only thing that I'm excited for this month, and that's Laura Lee's palette. And it's Party Animal. And then you open it up, and there's the colors. There's my camera in the mirror. But these are the colors. There's 4 mattes, 1 shimmer, and I'm not sure what this sparkly one would be called. This pink one here. I don't know if that, like, this one is like a shimmer. I don't know. Maybe this one's a glitter. I don't know. But I'll do a couple swatches. The yellow one is powdery, but I've heard that from other Boxy Charmers. The blue one is okay. You'll definitely need an eye primer because it's it's staining my fingers. There's the darker blue one. That one is good. This is not an everyday palette, but it'll be good for like people that are like maybe going out on a special occasion or something. There's the pink one. And then, ooh, that that one's nice and chunky. The other ones I had to put it in, like, that purple one is the best out of all of them, I guess. But that's the colors. The yellow one didn't show up much at all. So that's everything we got in our Boxy charms. So let's check prices. The first one is the L'Oreal Los Angeles Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. Dare to be the life of the party with L'Oreal Los Angeles Party Animal Palette. These six stunning shades create bold, colorful looks, leaving you ready for a night of fun. $19. That's a good price for L'Oreal's palette. The next is House of Lashes. Add length and dimension to your makeup look with your new favorite lashes. Cruelty-free, high quality, and long lasting. These lashes provide up to 15 wears and will be the talk of every party. $12. The Smashbox Lipstick is create bold, beautiful looks with your new Smashbox lip product. These pigment loaded color glides on in just one swipe, getting you out the door and into the party quicker. Shades and finishes may vary, and because there's a whole bunch of different I think there was like 9 different kinds of Smashbox lipsticks that you could have got. The price is not concise. It just says $21 to $24, so I'm gonna say this is $21. Then, oops, that's not next. This one's our next. Wander Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. After a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extract and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye area. $13 for 3 of them. Bang Beauty chocolate eyeliner. Use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate tone pomade is the ultimate triple threat. $22. And the Des Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. Treat yourself, your nails, and your cuticles after a night out. This lightweight, non-greasy oil is formulated with vitamin E, shea, sweet almond, and jojoba oils that are blended together to create a luxurious treatment that softens the cuticles, moisturizes, and hydrates the nails. $18. And you're done. Calculator. So let's try to figure out these prices. 19, 20, 21, 31, 32, 34, 35, 45, 55, 56, 57, 58, 68, 69, 70, 90, $108 for this box. And it only cost $21. And this box was not my favorite. I like these 3 products, and I don't care about these 3 products. So I'd give this box 2.5 stars. Well, I'll bump that up to 3 because some people do like lashes, and you can't please everybody. Like, it's not like we get lashes in every box. The last time we used eye patches, my daughter got an allergic reaction, so we have to be careful with these. And I don't paint my nails or anything, so that nail thing is nothing good to me. but I love the palette. I love this one, and I like this one. So, but next month is supposed to be Boxy Lux, and I cannot wait for that. I hope and pray that I get that box. It's going to be $50 American, so it might cost me like about 70 bucks my money, but hopefully it'll be worth it because it'll have over $300 in products. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, bye!